In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsave a search on Realtor.com. Let's start right at your computer or mobile device. Open your preferred web browser and type Realtor.com into the search bar. In the search results, choose the official Realtor.com link. Look for the exact domain name to make sure you're heading to the legitimate site and not an ad or a similarly named page. That way you land on the correct homepage right away. Once you're on Realtor.com, log in if you're prompted. Signing in connects the site to your saved items, so your searches, favorites, and alerts all line up with your account. If you're already signed in, you can move ahead without doing anything here. Now head to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small heart icon next to your profile icon. Click the heart, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Settings or Account Settings. Realtor.com organizes your saved content under this area, so it's a handy place to manage everything in one spot. If the wording looks slightly different due to an update, don't worry. Settings or Account Settings will take you where you need to go. Inside the Settings area, find and select Saved Searches from the available menu. This section lists every search you've saved, often showing the city or neighborhood, price range, and other filters you used, as well as how often you receive updates tied to that search. It's a quick snapshot of what you're tracking. Take a moment to locate the specific search you want to remove. If you have several, read through the names or scan the filters so you're targeting the right one. Saved searches are different from saved homes, so make sure you're on the Saved Searches tab, not Saved Homes or Favorites. When you found the search you no longer need, click the Delete button next to it. On some layouts, this may appear as a small X icon alongside the search name. Clicking it removes that saved search from your account and stops any related notifications or email alerts associated with it. After you delete it, glance back through your saved searches list to confirm it's gone. If you ever want that search again, just run the same filters on Realtor.com later and save it anew. It only takes a moment, and that's it. By opening Realtor.com, signing in, going to Settings via the heart icon, choosing Saved Searches, and deleting the one you don't need, you'll keep your account clean and your alerts focused on what matters most to you. Thanks for watching, and follow along as you tidy up your saved searches.